I think it's absolutely critical that many of the lawyers who are handling personal injury, and there's a lot that shouldn't be dabbling in personal injury because they really don't have that extensive background and experience. So again, this is a great opportunity for the listeners. If you're listening, if you ever come across a situation where you need to hire a personal injury lawyer, do your homework. You know, do a background check. Don't just hire a lawyer because they have 100 billboards or because you see their face on TV every 15 seconds. You know, find the lawyer that's right for you. Don't become another number. And make sure that that person is actually handling complex personal injury litigation, not just saying, I do auto accidents. I mean, you can go to that person, he's probably dabbling all different kinds of other specialties of law, but he's not an expert at personal injury.
Well, I think what you're saying, and I completely agree with you, is and there's an old saying, if you're a master at, or if you participate in everything, you're a master at none. And that's what I think you're trying to convey is if you know, a specialist in the medical field is a good example. If you are an orthopedic surgeon, you're going to concentrate on orthopedic injuries, and if you specialize on knees, you're going to have more expertise than someone who may be an orthopedist but's not focusing his practice on one particular thing. They may have surgeries from head to toe. So, you know, if you're going to get operated on, if you are injured, you're going to want to get the best physician, and the best physician are going to be the ones that specialize in that particular field. So I think that in a lot of ways we can, you know, do the same analysis for lawyers. Pick a lawyer that has a good reputation. Ask people, and don't just rely on advertisements, because it may be the lawyer that, like you said, participates in a lot of different fields, and if he's not practicing and focusing on one field, that may make the difference for the person who's injured, and they may not know that.
That's exactly right. And you know what else is very important, and we'll talk about this in more detail, but when a person gets in an accident, there's hopefully insurance coverage. The insurance company is going to have an adjuster. They're going to be trying to track you down, trying to get your statement, okay? But the insurance companies also know the lawyers that have that extensive experience, the lawyers who they respect and say, okay, that's a good personal injury lawyer that I know that they're going to cross the T's and dot their I's for their client. They're going to try to maximize the recovery for their client. They're going to try this case if they have to, just to make sure that their client gets the very best day.